Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 68. Geodda. Geodda. The word geodda is another root verb which means to walk. The word geodda could be divided into two syllables. Geodda. Geod is formed from the combination of the sounds of kiek, o, and dikit, while da is formed from the combination of the sounds dikit and a. Geodda. Let's use geodda in a sentence or phrase. 천천히 geodda. This phrase means to walk slowly. The word 천천히 is an adverb of manner, which means to do it slowly. And geodda is the action word, which means to walk. And therefore, the meaning of the phrase 천천히 geodda is simply to walk slowly. And with that, you've just learned geodda. Now, let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 58 to 67. Don't forget, our word for today is word number 68, geodda. This is a root verb which means to walk. Word number 67 is 알았어, and this is an informal way of saying I understand. Word number 66 is 알다. This is another root verb which means to know or understand. Word number 65 is 괜찮습니다, and this is a formal way of saying it's okay. Word number 64 is 괜찮아, and this is an informal way of saying it's okay. Word number 63 is 웃다. This is another root verb which means to smile or laugh. Word number 62 is 마시다. This is another root verb which means to drink. Word number 61 is 먹다. This is another root verb which means to eat. Word number 60 is 갑시다, and this is a formal way of saying let's go. Word number 59 is 가자, and this is an informal way of saying let's go. And word number 58 is 울다. This is another root verb which means to cry. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.